We are here, guys. We got the car. I'm gonna get a couple of shots, and Villians actually gonna throw a achievement sticker on his car because they're giving out prizes this time. Those prizes are stickers based on achievements. And if you do something like crash your car, you're gonna get a wasted sticker.
Typical day one Driftweek things for me. So I get to give myself the wasted achievement. Not the one I wanted to get, but it is the one I deserve. So that's going on the car now. Damn. Wasted.
Good shit, buddy. Good job. Currently my dumb ass is standing up on top of this thing, trying not to fall. Tyler, he's going to show us some secret 240 tech.
I'm going to show you technology that applies to everybody. You ready for this?
What's that?
Look at the seat.
Look at that little hose right there. He had a sweat issue, and if you
no more swamp ass. Air conditioned seats for all race seats.
That's smart as shit.
Here on Thomas's channel first. Hey, you want to see something else that's smart?
What are you doing?
Bam. And strip layers as you get hot.
Oh yeah.
Cars get hot, tires get hot, drivers get hot. When the drivers are hot, not going to do as good.
Wise word from Tyler. Heck yeah. For those of you who don't know, you can do ride-alongs at these events.
That's right, we're doing ride-alongs. If you're not here, you're missing out.
Oh yeah.
This is so fun to be able to share that with everyone. That kid was hyped, so hyped.
Damn, Rudy. What's up? You had to clean the track off for him, huh? Show him how it's done? Yeah, buddy. That was a good shot.
The last one?
Yeah, I got that, where you were like almost on the very edge. It was sick. What's up, guys? Heading back to the pits. Before I forget to actually post some of this stuff on my phone, I got a couple of cool shots I'm gonna throw on Instagram for you. Don't forget to check out Careless.
Let's go again. Let's go again.
Yo, Justin, Steve, I'm here with my good buddy Thomas.
What's up, man?
Super stoked to see him here on the trip, although he's not bringing a car, so the real tough guys come even without a car. Thank you guys for your support. I can't believe that there are people that are like sort of like fans Thank you guys very much.
Hey man, people in America like you.
I appreciate it so much. Like I get a lot of love from everybody here in this country, and that's why I keep coming back. So
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thanks, dude.
You're the real MVP. MVP,
yeah.
MVP. I ain't Joe Biden. AFD.
So we're having some issues with the car. More power steering issues, and we're gonna hit it with everything we got. Car, and we're gonna go head back to Villians. Thanks, shout out to them again, although don't follow them.
Forever, I don't know. They're super nice guys.
Buy the products they already make, that's all they want.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna get this thing banged up, throw all the parts at it we can, and hopefully not have to worry about it anymore.
Exactly.
Fingers crossed. Well guys, I wear my sunglasses at night and I do not care, mainly because I lost my pair of regular glasses. So we've got hopefully the last time here testing. Last time we started it, the old wheel went wobbling. All right, move the wheel a little bit, but from the top this time. All right, I think we got it. Woo. Safety first.
Almost more me, and I didn't even think about it, but we accidentally swapped the like in and out, I guess, on the high pressure side. And I put my fingers in here on the spokes of the wheel to try and not touch the nice gnarly leather with my greasy fingers. And that was extra painful because then the wheel shakes back and forth violently and it stabbed me right in between my fingers. The spoke went right there. Very painful. Would not recommend.
Yeah. The amount of work that's getting done here today, guys, is insane. We're just hot swapping cars off that lift. Huge shout out for all the help for everybody. We've got people hanging out with trailers. I mean, are they not? They got motors getting pulled.
It's true. It's absolutely true. I love it too.
It's crazy.
It's the third car on there in the last 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to go.
Looks like we got everything figured out. We don't have any leaks.
We put a filter in the line here to try and mitigate any external debris or metal chunks. That's going to hopefully filter some of that. New fluid, everything looks beautiful. Look how red this fluid looks. It hasn't looked that clear ever.
All right, guys, we are delayed as hell. Sorry I wasn't able to get any videos out. Been working on this car's power steering system for 3 days, basically. We've got the power steering pump replaced multiple times. The rack has been replaced and then switched back. Hopefully that fixes it. We've tried oil filters, different oil coolers. Fingers crossed we get on the road here. If not, we're just gonna go ahead and head to the next spot and fix it there. So knock on car, fingers crossed, all the things. I would love to see this thing drift and do a little less work on it. Guys, guess what? I'm gonna get to drive this thing. It is, however, very cold in this car. My car was very hot. This car is pretty cold. It's also getting cold out here, so it's gonna be like that.
Is it shaking?
See you at the house. Well, guys, ran out of gas. Feeling's on his way to go get some fuel. Look at that. Looks nice. You'd be surprised at how dirty that car actually is. But look, check it out. Let's go get some shots. What do you think? guys, we're here. This is my room. It's a little weird. This whole place is a little weird. It's a very old building, built in like right before the 1900s. So I gotta sleep in this short bed where my feet will likely hang through those bars. See you in the morning.